Hello there! Today we are going to make a cashew fruit. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, yes, it is a very interesting fruit right here. So let's see what are the steps required to make this and start making this. Let's start with the first step, which is to make a very big oval. And yes, this oval needs to be thin from the top and bigger from the bottom. After that, let's make these two lines inside and then make a U at the bottom. Once we are done with that, we are going to make this a little darker and start making the fair drawing. Let's start making a letter S below so that we get the shape of the cashew fruit. After that, this top portion is going to look something like a pumpkin. So let's make it this way. And look, this looks brilliant, isn't it? Let's just curve it from the top and the bottom. That's lovely. Now we will take our sketch pen and start making this. Yes, trace it right on top of the pencil marks. Going slow is the key to do the best when it comes to sketching. So make sure you go very slow while sketching and stay right on top of the pencil marks. Try and not make a mistake, as it cannot be erased when we are doing it with a sketch pen. And our cashew fruit is made. Let's start erasing all the pencil marks and then color this. Well, can you tell me which colors are we going to use for this one? Any guesses? You are absolutely right. We are going to use ochre color and brown color. So at first, let's take our ochre color and start doing the outline. And then color inside in one direction. Now you know the drill. It's very simple when we do the outline, as the color does not go outside the drawn parts. We are an expert at this now. So let's finish the entire fruit in a similar way. Color very nicely and slowly. Don't forget to do the outline. This looks amazing. Now let's switch to the next color, which is a brown color, and do this bottom part of the fruit. Again, we will do the outline first and then color inside. This looks amazing. Let's do the top part now. Can you guess which color this is? Yes, this is olive green color. And we are done with our cashew fruit.